after your Diwali holidays. I hope you all have enjoyed your Diwali holidays. So now it's time for us to get back to our studies. So do you remember the letter that we did on Tuesday? Okay, if you don't remember, the letter that we did on Tuesday is the letter K. Which letter? K. So now we will start revising the letter K with pictures. So everybody with teacher. Okay. So let's write the date. 3-12-20. And we did letter K. Which letter did we do? Letter K. Standing line, slanting line in the middle and slanting line from the middle down. Letter K. Which letter is this? K. Which letter is this? K. And do you remember the pictures for letter K? Okay, let's revise. K for kite. K for kite. K for kite. K for kite. K, kite. Then what we have K for? Who rules our country? Yes, he is the king who rules our country. K for king. K for king. King rules our country. King rules the country. K for king. K for king. Who is he? King. K for king. K for king. K, king. Then what we have? Then we have key. K for key. K for key. What is this? Key. K for key. Key, kite, king. K for kite. K for king. K for key. Then what we have K for? We have K for kettle. K for kettle, in which we store water, hot water. K for kettle. K for kettle. Say K, kite, K, king, K, kettle and K, key. So we have finished with revision of letter K. Now it's time for you all to learn a new letter. So let's see which is the new letter. So the new letter that we will learn today is letter X. Letter X. Slanting line and slanting line. Letter X. Which letter is this? X. Say X, X, X. Letter X. Letter X. X, X, X. So this is letter X. So now let's see the pictures for letter X. What is this, kids? What is this? This is an Xmas tree. What is this? Xmas tree. We see this tree decorated during Christmas, and this is the month for Christmas. December is the month for Christmas, where Santa Claus comes. So we decorate this Christmas tree, Xmas tree. What is this? Xmas tree. Say X, X, Xmas tree. X, X, Xmas tree. X, X, Xmas tree. Now let's see the next picture for letter X. What is this? This is an X-ray. 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 Now what is X-ray? X-ray is a machine that helps the doctor to identify the wound. So X-ray. X-ray. Come on, say X for X mystery, X for X-ray. X for X mystery, X for X-ray. So we have only two pictures for letter X. So now we will learn how to write the letter X. So everybody is ready to learn how to write letter X? So let's start. So first you will write the date, that is 3-12-20, and only the first line of letter X will be written by parents. X, slanting line and slanting line, letter X. Slanting line and slanting line, letter X. The rest of the X will be written by your kids. So kids, how will you write letter X? You all have written crisscross. You all have done crisscross. Same way you have to do crisscross, but this is letter X. Come on. Slanting line and slanting line, letter X. Slanting line and slanting line, letter X. Slanting line and slanting line, letter X. 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 So kids, today we learned letter X, and letter X has two pictures, that is X mystery and X-ray. So for now, bye.